Hi, I'm Kenny Hart with NeoMetrix Technologies. Today we're going to go through an entire scan to print process for a kayak paddle. This application would be similar to maybe you're doing some sort of fabricated design that you want to prototype. We can actually scan the paddle with our 3D scanner, take that design, put it right on the 3D printer, and make it into a part that you can actually go test and go through the design iteration. The Peel is our affordable full-color 3D scanner. We can capture the data based on the geometry of the part. We can also use targets, so you can see we kind of got a mix of both. And I also have a few targets on the table, so if you have a part that you want to set on the table, you can have a pre-targeted area and apply what's called a clipping plane, so we can ignore that data below. So we'll go ahead and get started here. We got it all pictured up.
The Peel 3 scanner captures the kayak paddle in minutes with high accuracy and rich colors. With the newly updated PeelOS scan mode, it's easy to effortlessly capture scans with real-time mesh visualization. Mesh cleanup features provide essential tools for refining the scan for a smooth, ready-to-use model. Now that we've captured the full shape, it's time for mesh cleanup. PeelOS automatically refines the scan, smoothing out any rough edges and ensuring a clean, watertight model. Now that our scan is complete, it's time to refine the mesh. With just a few clicks, we can define a smooth boundary, making the model look sharp and ready for the next steps.
We'll refine the surface using the Smooth Mesh and Detail tool. This helps remove any noise or rough textures while preserving important details. We can adjust the settings to find the perfect balance between smoothness and accuracy, making sure we don't lose any critical design features.
The Colorize feature in PeelOS adds real-world texture to our 3D scan, capturing surface details with true-to-life colors. This makes it easier to analyze wear, branding, or fine details, perfect for design, inspection, or documentation.
With these tools, 3D scans can be turned into clean, production-ready 3D models.
Now that we've completed the scan and cleaned up the mesh in PeelOS, it's time to take it a step further. With Peel.CAD, we can transform this scan into a fully functional CAD model.
Now, let's fill in any missing areas using the Fill Hole tool. PeelOS automatically detects gaps in the mesh and gives us different fill options. We can choose a simple flat fill for small holes or a curvature-based fill to maintain the original shape of the paddle. This ensures we have a watertight model that's ready for 3D printing.
With precision scanning, seamless mesh processing, and industrial-grade printing, this process showcases how 3D technology can recreate and improve real-world parts with ease.